Brad Hall here, and today I've got an exciting new shoe, the Cryptokicks iRL. It's a shoe born out of the marriage between Nike and RTFKT. Is this shoe a glimpse into the future of shoes? That's what I'm going to be talking about today, ahead to you, so stay tuned. Thanks to RTFKT for sending me these shoes. I was really excited to check out this pair, not only because of the shoe itself, which is very interesting, but all of the stuff surrounding this shoe. RTFKT says it's their goal to merge the digital and physical worlds. This shoe has an NFT component, the digital, then it's also got this shoe, the physical. So it's got both of those components, merging those two worlds. Very cool. Now, I know a little about crypto, NFTs, Web3, ETH. I was actually considering entering that space with a project that I was developing. Unfortunately, it's still under construction, but maybe one day you'll see that come to life in a magical way. So when I heard the news that Nike purchased RTFKT, I was really curious to see what was going to come of that, mostly to see if they'd be able to take some of those cool designs and actually make them, bring them to life in the real world. And that's what the Cryptokicks IRL does. IRL, of course, in real life. Looks wise, this shoe does have a pretty futuristic thing going on with it. A big part of that comes from Nike's auto lacing technology. Not only a futuristic feature, but in the looks department, it doesn't look like a traditional shoe. You've got these straps across the front and then some wire that runs into a motor that's in that midsole. When you get into those shoes, they're gonna tighten up on their own. Then you can adjust the fit right on the shoe. It's got a plus and a minus button in there, a little tighter or a little looser. I'm gonna use 2 fingers on the shoe, on that plus and minus. Lights are active. Now we're gonna pretend my hand, bump the mic there, pretend my hand is a foot, and we're gonna tighten this up a little. Locked it down. Really cool technology. Probably the most overtly technology that's in a shoe, and it really does look techy. You've got those lights on the midsole. You're going to be able to actually customize those in an app. Now, these also come with this. It's a charging platform, so you can connect this charger with USB and then just put your shoe right on top of it to wirelessly charge the shoe. Some other cool tidbits, you've got these 1s and 0s around the heel area. You've got multiple RTFKT logos on here, and interestingly, I don't see any Nike branding on these at all. Very interesting decision. Now the cushioning on these, it's Zoom Air, so they're gonna be really comfortable. Overall, this shoe, I think it does a pretty good job of translating something a little bit more fantastic into the real world. It definitely comes across as more futuristic than your average shoe. It's also great to see that auto lacing technology get some more use. I'm very excited to see where RTFKT and Nike go with all of this. I'd love to see some render and think there's no way that shoe could exist in the real world, and then they actually pull it off. Even though it's really cool to use that auto lacing technology, it'd be so cool if they added even more technology to the shoe, something you've never seen before.
I fell down. I can't get up. Please. Is anyone there? Please help me. I need medical attention. I have no drug allergies.
So hopefully one day we see some wild creations like those. That would be very cool. Thanks everyone for watching, and happy holidays.